Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to another video. Build your own agent AI chatbot with Chainlit UI Gemini API key with Python. In this video, I'll show you how I created a powerful AI chatbot using Python. Chainlit for the Silk front-end UI and Gemini API key as the brain behind the conversation. The backend is powered by FastAPI and Uvicorn, making the chatbot lightweight and fast scalable. Whether you are an AI enthusiast or a developer looking to build your own chatbot project, this video will walk you through the entire setup from scratch. We are using tech stack, Python, Chainline, FastAPI, Uvicorn, and Gemini API. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you find this helpful, drop your question in the comment below. After your interest, we will show and teach you the code all as I prepare this chatbot. Thank you so much.